Good day guys, you're welcome to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how to use the moving average and the Fibonacci like a pro. Now, most people make use of the moving average in the conventional way. That means if the market is trending, we use it to identify the trend of the market. So we can say that moving average is a trend-based indicator that shows us the trend of the market. Now we have this. So for example, we can see that the market is going down, so the moving average shows us that the market is going down. So an example is something like this, and a bullish example is something like this. Now this is the normal way of using moving average. I make use of moving average in a different way. For example, we look for zones where we know that market has a chance of reacting from. So if the market reacts from this zone twice, it has a chance of reacting from it again. Also here, when it reacts 2 times, it has a chance of reacting to it to go lower. So what we'll do, we look for a zone, something like this. We can see this is the first reaction, the second reaction, and at the third reaction. And also here we have the first, second, and the third reaction. So what we'll do, we go down to the smaller time frame, which you can go down. So for example, we could see that this happened on the daily time frame. We can go down to the H1 time frame. Now on the H1 time frame, what we are looking for is very simple. So guys, there's a link on the comment section. You can check it out. It's a link to our Telegram channel, which we drop signals and setup. And also, if you want to join our premium mentorship, where you'll be taught more structured and calculated strategy, which you can use to profit from the market consistently. You can also check on the Telegram group to get more info on that. So also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So we can see that here, we can see that the moving average crossed, and meeting the moving average cross will bring out our Fibonacci on the smaller time frame. What are we doing? We are trying to look for an entry. So we take it from the first point, this is the high, to the point where price cross. So this is the low, and we can see that this cross happened within here. And what do? This is the 50%, which is the green line. We put our entry there. You can put it as a pending order. You put it here, your stop loss all the way up here, and your take profit, you target the low of the range. So trading like this, we already know the range which market will move to. So it gives us a very clear understanding of where we are targeting and where our stop loss is. For example, just like this, immediately we see the cross and price pushed up a little bit, comes back 50%, we know that the market is going most likely to this point here. And we can see that we can back this by just looking previously. We can see how the market has been oscillating. So we can do this until this oscillation stops and market finally breaks out. So most likely the market is usually moving within ranges. It might move from a bigger range or a smaller range. For example, this is a very small range from the daily. There are times you see range from the monthly, even from the weekly, and you'll be able to trade those ranges. And also smaller ranges like H1 range and the rest. We teach all this in our mentorship, in our premium mentorship. You can check it out if it will be useful to you. So you can go, let's change the pair. So guys, this is GDP card. Let's delete this and start again. So we can just delete this. So the moving average here is 50 and 10. So this is 50 and 10. Let me show you. We make use of 50 and 10. So it's just 50 and 10. So you can experiment your own, or you can make use of this. So for example, we can see that this is a range here. You see this is the first time price rejected, the second time price rejected, and when something happens 2 times, there is an occurrence of it happen again in the market. So just as the normal market will say is that history repeats itself. So also in the bearish example, we can see that this is the first reaction, second reaction, and third reaction. Similar movements also happen. Now, looking for a buy, we could look for a buy just right here, and we could look for a sell around somewhere here. Now what do? We go down to the smaller time frame, which is H1, and on H1 at this point in time we could see where the moving average cross up. So this is the moving average crossing upward. And what do? We plot our Fibonacci, which is very simple. We take it from this point here, up to this point, and we take our entry just around the 50% level. So we will take a long, put our pending order at this green point, this green line, and our stop loss just here, and I'll take profit. Could target all the way up here. You can see this gave up to 1:8. Currently price reacted from here, which is around here 1:8. So this is a very simple and profitable way of using your moving average and your Fibonacci. Now, using it the way everybody uses it will reduce the probability of you making more profit. So you have to be able to track it and make use of it in a way that is unconventional and profitable for you to be able to utilize that profit within it. So for example, we can see also here, you see how the moving average cross. Making the moving average cross, what do? You take your Fibonacci and you draw from this point down to here. And what do you look for? You take your trade here, a stop loss just above here, and you take profit all the way down to here. Now this is around 1:4. So this is a simple way of making use of the moving average. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more. Also, more videos will be coming out. We want to grow this community. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also join the Telegram group. From there you can see trade idea which you can learn from, and also if they matches your trading strategy, you can take part of this trade and we make money together. So we win together. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also join the Telegram group and channel. If you're looking for a place to call home, you can also join our community. Thank you guys.